All right. April 2025, New Braunfels, Texas is testing their flood sirens. So there's one down the road, somewhere across the train tracks. That's HEB soccer field. And then down there is downtown, which I think downtown has two modulator sirens. One by the New Braunfels tube chute, and another, there's that 2001 130. There's one by the tube chute, and there's one, if I'm not mistaken, let me think. There's one over by the tube chutes and another one right by Fire Station 3. And I think they added a new one somewhere around here. That's all, folks.